Okay, so I just installed a Delta lav faucet, and we got leaking. It's up in the, it's hard to see, but it is up in there. And let's see if we can get a light up in there without making it worse. Probably not. Anyways, so what you've got is right in that center hole, right there. Yep, you just saw it drip right now. Just drip right out of that hole. So something's going on in one of the hot or the cold side internally with that. And it drips enough to where there's going to be a problem. So we'll have to take this back and get another faucet. Maybe try and catch another, maybe better picture here. Hopefully, maybe. Give it a sec. And it's dripping right down on this rod. Let's see. That rod. Right there, that's the water. And there, you see it. It's got it. Perfect. So, anyways, not an installer error, thankfully, but gonna have to replace that